What's up, guys? As you saw in the last video, we got the red MR2 tuned and it made 422 horsepower to the wheels, but it was pretty late, so we didn't have a chance to feel it out and take it for a drive. But that is what today is for.
It's time, bro.
We're gonna go take her down the street and see how she feels.
Man. This is gonna be your new daily.
Yep, I'm excited, man.
I was just standing back looking at it. It's so clean,
I
even
know.
with the stock wheels.
Such a nice car. We do want to get the trunk and or hood or whatever you call it put back on, but we are gonna have to wait until we can remake a new wastegate dump, the one that like goes down under there, because that's just gonna blow right into everything. So we're gonna wait on the trunk and hood till we get a new dump made, but until then we can at least go take it for a rip real quick. Wouldn't be us if it didn't take its first drive without a hood.
Without something missing.
Yeah.
That shifter looks good though from out here. Look at it, it's shiny. Are you ready?
We're gonna go take it real quick.
We'll be back, man. Hold down the fort, mate.
G'day, mate.
Bro? No bro around here, bro. We got the bros. You got the mates.
Bro.
Dude, this thing rips.
Holy crap.
Oh, we need some suspension, bro.
It's so sketchy.
Jesus. Oh! Knocking the dust off this thing, man.
Dude, it rips. It's fast.
It is fast, man. Woo! We got noises. What is that? Tire?
I don't know. They did that the other day.
Did it?
Yeah. I think it's the plastic. Like,
Oh, okay, yeah.
I don't think it's anything bad.
It feels fast, man. It's not breaking up either. It's like, it's good. I didn't watch the air fuel, but was the trannies being weird or what?
Yeah, training's been weird. It was weird on the white one too.
Oh, we got that 6-speed too.
If I need it, yeah. The freaking dash stopped working. I think the HDMI cable went back because now it's just stuck on blue.
Send it in verse.
She's about to be a ripper right here.
Oh, hold on to your nipples.
That first gear. Ready, boys? Oh, I think the TPS popped off. Oh my god. Dude, this thing
was a ride, man.
So the TPS plug's all messed up. And we've been driving it around, and when I rip it like too much, it just pops the plug off. And
Yeah, especially when it's shaking like that.
yeah, especially when the whole car's just going crazy. So we lose throttle. Yeah, see, look right here. We have it on the laptop. We have no TPS. I'm hitting the gas right now.
Oh man.
Dude, this thing rips. She rides out. This thing's sick.
It feels good.
It's just like my white one was. Honestly, it feels a little stronger. I don't think my white one would chirp the tires like that in second.
Yeah, I don't remember it doing that.
It's just this thing with like a good tire on it, all cleaned up, some new coilovers, button everything up. It's gonna be such a good daily.
Yeah, definitely suspension and the transmission.
Yeah, this tranny's pretty wonky. It's the one I had in the white one.
I think the 6-speed will be good for it.
Yeah, we'll probably put that 6-speed that I got with that K20 in here. Cause I have no other use for that thing.
Yeah, we should have put it in. I thought about it, but then I was like, forgot about it, honestly. But there you go, man. This is gonna be you.
She's a ripper.
Just gotta get your radio. It already works, but you need to get some speakers.
The reading must be part of the transaction.
Get the AC working.
Yeah. Still want to get the AC working for sure.
The compressor's on there, so
Yeah, it's
just gotta
working.
get the custom line. Need a shift knob.
Yep.
Need to get rid of those.
The skulls. There's skull dog tags.
I thought you were just gonna throw it out the window.
Yeah, no, I'm not.
No. Can't even tell what marks they were.
Did you spin both?
I don't know.
Oh, look on this side.
All I know is that it hooked pretty good for the 195s.
Looks pretty decent.
I'll get it from the back this time. Woo! Yeah, that's both tires. Yeah. I see a transmission in our near future.
Alright, gonna let Matt take it for a rip.
So sketchy.
This thing is kind of sketch right now with the stock suspension. It's all over the place, so we're definitely being careful with her. She rips, dude.
This thing is so sketchy. I don't even think it's got any suspension. Cool though, man.
Does it feel kind of like yours?
Nah, mine feels all like tight and like you can drive it.
Not as sketchy.
No.
Yeah, this one needs some work before we can really get into it.
Yeah. I mean, it just.
You can feel the whole back end like swaying around.
It's the front as well, I think. Yeah, it's definitely sketch.
It's sketchy fun though.
Oh yeah. Wouldn't be the Boostedboiz without a bit of sketch.
Nope.
Send it.
She's a ripper.
Definitely good. Look at that.
I know. How was it?
Sketchy. How it's good.
It's fun though.
Yeah, it's like mine.
Is this your first left-hand drive MR2?
Oh,
been in?
Yeah, it definitely is.
Well, I mean, yeah, you've never been to the States,
no,
so.
Yeah. It, you know, kind of get a hold of it after.
Is it weird shifting since this is on the other
Yeah,
side?
it's totally weird.
Because I can't imagine shifting like this. This would be weird for a right-hand drive car.
Well, you see when you come to the UK. But
Yeah, if I come down there, you have to let me drive yours now.
oh, it's no problem. You go ahead, knock yourself out.
Get that sequential in there before I get there.
Oh yeah.
It looks so clean and not sketchy from the outside,
Oh,
but on the inside.
So you like it, or is it too sketchy?
I like it. A little bit of
He was
sketchy.
about to not get on it. He's like, I don't know, man. This thing, the steering
You just
isn't
drive
good.
it
He's like so
normally.
big in
Doing
there
like
too.
30 mile an hour and you let off the throttle and it's like, whoa.
Well, I mean, it has the nice paint job, but everything else underneath the car is from sitting in a field for years. Like nothing, it just looks pretty, but yeah, it's, do that again. The suspension is clapped. And we're just, look at
I
it.
believe we just got on that on the road.
It was just,
She looks pretty, but she's been around.
that's probably why it was chirping the tires,
Mm.
because the suspension on my white one was better and it wouldn't, you know, like unload as much as this one would.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's.
It shows that the suspension actually gives traction. All right, so one last rip of the day. We got Brent in the car, and for this one, put the seatbelts back in because this thing is kind of sketchy.
Thank you.
Yeah, the first couple pulls we didn't have the seatbelts in, but got those thrown in there real quick, and I'm gonna give Brent another ride because I think you're gonna. I feel like this one's gonna feel faster than the white one was at 500, even though this is making like 100 less, just because it like the suspension just like squats back and just it gets all crazy.
You have to drive it?
You have to drive it.
Oh my goodness.
That's fun. It's your style.
That's my style.
It's like the cold
If it ain't
truck.
sketch, it ain't fun. I'm just awesome. It's moving.
Finally.
Oh man, I can feel it already.
These struts have nothing
Oh my
in
gosh. It's already, we're going 5 mile an hour. And it's
Like, just feel the
bouncing in the
bumps?
back. It's like I'm on a boat. Wow. No joke, man.
It's pretty bad.
It feels like it's gonna, like, even right now, just normal cruising. Oh my god, dude. You guys think the bully's bouncy.
Yeah.
It's got nothing on there, Mark, too.
I was thinking about just digging the other MR2 shocks out of that
Yeah, that's what I would do.
the junk
because
pile because we took those ones off and they were way better than these.
I put the drag racing ones on the white one and the white ones on this one.
That's what my plan is. If we get some new ones for the white one that are better, then I'll put the BC
That's what I
coils
do.
on this one. But for right now, I don't have anything.
Yeah.
So I might at least put the other good stock ones on.
It'd definitely be better than what we're rolling on.
Yeah.
Wow.
You ever see those like?
This is all spring.
Yeah, you see those cars and the rear shocks are blowing out on the road?
Yeah, that's what it is.
That's us right now.
With almost 500 horsepower.
Yeah. And in a car that's like famous for snap oversteering.
Yeah, of course.
So we got the seat belts this time. Feel the back end like dance.
You gotta be careful. No, that is sketch.
It is sketch.
That is sketch. That was just nothing, and I felt like a twitch.
But I think when it comes onto the power, it almost straightens it out too. So you know,
you got some G's on it.
you scare me on the dyno, so I get to scare you in the car.
It's only fair.
Straight right there.
Yeah,
that wasn't that
good,
bad.
That was a pretty good tune-up you got there. Good job.
She rips pretty good.
It rips really good.
That'll be a good day.
Oh yeah, this is great. Man, it actually like it just squatted and
yeah. See, it straightens it out when you give it some power.
And then you shifted and it was like even more.
Yeah.
Just when we were gonna party. TPS.
Yeah, I know. Because it's, you know, it's just resting on those pins.
Oh yeah.
It just pops right off.
Will the zip tie hold it on?
I did put a zip tie on it, but the zip tie like falls off
to the side.
Yeah. I should have like ran it in between the wires.
Do they have adapters to the old style TPSs?
I have no idea.
For K-Series? Because that would fix them all. I don't know why they even had to change the design. I mean, it worked for 40 years.
Yeah.
This is totally sketch.
What? My white one never spun the tires even in second with more power, but I think it's just because the suspension was better.
This thing roasts them.
Yeah, it's just like skirting the whole way.
Skirt.
I guess kind of right there, it did kind of feel similar to the white one at 500.
Yeah.
I feel like I got more, that one felt way cleaner than when I just took Matt and Emilio out. With Emilio, it was like, it was like all over.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like it broke the back end loose. That was the best pull so far. Maybe I'm just getting like used to it.
Yeah, you're just learning to drive it.
We just got the MR2s put back away, but the red MR2 is ripping. This thing is so much fun. Glad we finally got it up and going. This thing has been fighting us for a while now. We've gone through 3 engines so far, but third time was the charm. This one seems like it is running great. Definitely need to get a new suspension put on this thing because the stock struts are completely blown out. It's just bouncing on the springs, but we will get to that later. Definitely want to get the wastegate dump ran down so we can get the engine cover and trunk back on and start putting all of the interior back together, get this thing cleaned up. I want to get some new seats in here, get a different steering wheel, get it all nice and clean inside of here, get some other wheels for it, lower it down, and just make it a nice, clean, fun daily. But it's crazy to see how far this thing has come, especially from when we got it. Picked this thing up for 400 bucks, was sitting in a field, and then traded some work with Trevor for doing his roll cage, and then he painted this thing and he did an amazing job on it. Looks so good, definitely one of the best looking cars in our fleet, especially once it's cleaned up and has some new wheels on there and it's a little lower to the ground. But still really excited for the car. She is finally ripping, and that is going to be it for this video. So hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you guys later.